Oh, fuck. Welcome in, gamer.
Spicy crab.
What the fuck?
Spicy crabber.
Oh, fuck, dude. Spicy crab. What is Matt on, bro?
What's he doing?
Spicy crabs, you good?
Huh?
You good?
Who's saying me good? What?
Are you good?
Who said spicy crabs? You good?
Oh, did you hear me?
Yeah, I'm fucking there, bro.
Oh, you heard me. Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Bro, all I heard
Hey,
was
I'm
spicy
pretty
crab and then
bro.
you fucking moaned.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Dude, I'm hungry as fuck. I haven't had shit all day.
Hey, man, you do you, you do you.
I'm gonna eat and chop y'all up.
Oh, yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure.
I'm gonna chop Connie up and use some of that sushi meat she got on her.
Don't worry, we'll get into it after 125, bro. Don't worry, we got this.
I'm gonna take a break while I'm chasing y'all.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Come on, Leland. Come on, Hitchy.
Spicy fucking crab.
Bro, I'm so
Avocado?
dead. Oh, fuck. I'm on that
Is
grind.
Bubba being cracked or no?
Oh, yeah, probably. I mean, dude, if he fucking... I don't know, if he's eating
Eating
spicy...
spicy crab and he's gonna take a break.
Yo, he's got that spicy crab breath. You already know. He's gonna shit all over us. Only elite gamers eat that shit. Oh, look what I fucking
Just
found.
munching on spicy crab.
Oh, somebody fucking disconnected already. Who the fuck is that?
That's one of the killers.
Oh,
It's
shit.
a-
Hey, I beg, do not tell me it's spicy crab.
No, it wasn't spicy crab.
Okay, good. I
If
think...
it's spicy crab, they literally lose the game. Spicy crab is gonna fucking 1v9.
Oh, 100%, bro. Bro, where's
Get
my
away from
fucking...
this bone scrap, I swear to God.
No, I'm trying to find a fucking toolbox. Bro, like... yo, like, where the fuck?
Is he blind?
Bro, he's eating... Bro, leave me, he's eating.
He just ran past.
Oh my god. Alright, I got that fucking unlock shit, yeah. Oh my god. Somebody woke the old boy up. Oh my god. Spicy crabs in Leatherface, yeah. Wait. You're telling me I shut the door in his face, but yet he fucking didn't see that? Wait, he didn't see me either. What the? Wait, bro.
Get a door open, bro. Come on. He's gonna kill you.
Not on my watch.
Yo, I beg he overheats.
He's got those add-ons on, bro. He's got those fucking add-ons, bro. Oh, I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Wait, he fucking...
Oh, I'm gonna go slap him in the back of the head.
Bro, there's no shot.
What are you doing?
Stay quiet.
Wait. I'm gonna go slap him in the back of the head again.
Fuck, escape. This is too funny.
Is this just bullying at this point? It's literally a 4v2. If we don't escape this is like...
Yeah, it's gonna be bad.
Are you upstairs?
No. Fuck, I'm still downstairs.
Let's open. Come
No,
on.
I opened it, yeah.
Okay, well then, get the fuck... Oh. I don't know.
Bro, he's still there, though. He's still there. He knows.
Oh wow, the other killer is Johnny. This is calm. You just wanna go for Rico? Pretty easy. I need an unlock door. Are you gonna die?
No, I'm good. I got the big potion. Or big fucking... Bro, he knows I'm here, though. He doesn't want me to go.
Bob is coming.
No.
I don't know if he knows we're here.
Alright. No, he wouldn't, right?
Go for this scroll space, come here.
You gotta stun him, though, yeah?
he doing? Oh, he's shutting that door. Chill out. Oh, you know, he's opening it. And now he's shutting it. I'm just gonna go open it.
He's having fun, bro. It's his own way of fun.
Don't go
Okay,
up
so-
the roof, he might just come back down.
Yeah, like, yo, come through this door over here. It's highlighted, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, no, Johnny's that way. What the fuck? Yeah, Johnny just shot it. What the fuck? Alright. Oh, back this way.
Let's see. Maybe we can come up here. Be careful.
No fucking shot. Where's he at?
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Alright, shut the door behind you.
Yeah.
Be careful of the chicken when you walk past here.
Where's he at?
It's literally on the left of this. Johnny's coming out.
Can you bash him or something?
I can bash him. Go for the door.
Where's the door at?
It's in front of us.
Was that thing?
Got it.
Was that a person?
Alright, go for the other one.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's go for the rear gate.
Yeah, that's what I'm going for. Did you just fucking arm that fucking... Okay, so Sonny actually... Oh, thank you.
Did you use your ability for that other door?
Yeah, I did. I almost got it back,
Because they're
though.
literally about to come through in a second.
Yeah, keep looking him for a little bit, and then we good.
Johnny's coming over to you now.
I'm
And so is Bubba. Oh, no, it's just Johnny. Just Johnny. I don't know where Bubba's going. Oh, is it open?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. We just leave. Get out before Bubba gets there.
There you go. Shit, well played.
I want to stay to talk to fucking Spicy.
Alright, GG's, man. Well played, well played. God damn.